This video covers the B full diminished chord. There's 4 notes in this chord. It's not a triad. Based on the key of B, it's simply minor thirds. So we have a B, you go up a minor third, it's here. You go up another minor third, it's here. And go up another minor third, it's here. That's the chord. And the idea with this is that because all the notes are spread out, the fingers are spread out, this is a good one to start. When you first start learning arpeggios, start with these full diminished arpeggios. Now for fingering, there's only one black key in this, so the 4th finger in each hand is going to play it. Well, we're going to start on B, so that means in the right hand we're going to start on the thumb, and the left hand we're going to start on middle finger. And we can do that. First thing, do the tremolo exercise. Now the tremolo exercise, you just alternate them. Accent and drop the wrist. All the way, and then maybe 2 octaves, 2 notes per beat. Accent on the beat, drop the wrist. All the way up and down. That helps to drill the fingering into your fingers, and you get the feeling, the physical feeling of spreading the hands out and doing this. Stay relaxed. This should not hurt. Don't get, if you're getting stress and strain, then relax, shake it out. It should be stay. I'm using weight to push these notes down. Then you can do 1, 2, 3, and 4 octaves. 1, 2, 3, and 4 notes per beat. It's like we do on the regular arpeggios. Here, it's just start down here on the B. The middle C is here, come down here. 1 octave. Then 2 octaves, 2 notes. 3 octaves. 4 octaves. Then do the contrary. The contrary and parallel motion, and the whole pattern here is very important. You don't need to go fast because we're just focusing on getting the physical feeling of where these notes are in our memory, in our muscle memory, in our minds.